For severe indoor and garden ant infestations, a professional-grade ant gel bait that combines a fast-acting toxicant with a slow-acting feeding inhibitor is usually the most effective choice. Choose a reputable gel brand formulated for both indoor and outdoor use and labeled for the ant species you are targeting, because species differ in bait preferences and foraging patterns. Apply gel in small pea-sized drops along ant trails, near entry points, and in protected outdoor locations like under eaves or inside planter rims, because small amounts prevent bait rejection and encourage worker transport back to the nest. Rotate placement every 3 to 7 days based on activity and avoid over-application, since too much bait can overwhelm and repel colonies. Use gels that contain a delayed action active ingredient so foragers can carry toxicant back to the queen and brood, and avoid mixing gels with other sprays or powders that might contaminate the bait odor profile. Keep surfaces clean of competing food sources by wiping counters, storing pet food sealed, and removing sugary spills so ants prefer the bait. If activity does not decline within 2 to 3 weeks, switch to a different mode of action gel, reassess species identification, and combine baiting with exclusion and habitat modification. Common mistakes include placing large globs of gel where they become visible and are consumed too quickly, which prevents transfer back to the nest. Place small, discrete drops in secured spots instead. Another issue is using a gel labeled only for indoor use outdoors, where moisture and sun degrade it. Select gels rated for exterior conditions and protect placements from rain and direct sunlight. A third frequent error is assuming a single treatment fixes every colony. Monitor and reapply bait, seal entry points, and reduce food and moisture that sustain reinfestation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and post-project needs so they can compare options and read community feedback. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, where members share real-world baiting experiences and product recommendations.